Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and today is a time for a fun quick video. As you've probably heard or seen some from my other videos, last year in 2017 we did an artificial intelligence chatbot. Chatbot is basically a bot that sits on your phone and chats to you and trying to answer your questions or trying to get information from you, analyzes that and gives you back the information. So we've built a chatbot designed to measure risk management effectiveness of your organization. By having a conversation with the chatbot, he will be able to tell you just how mature your risk management approach is within your organization. It's free, anyone can use it. It's only available on Telegram because Telegram, as far as I know, is the messenger that allows this chatbot technology to be easily implemented. Hopefully in 2018 we will move it to web-based, and more people who don't have Telegram installed, or some of the Middle Eastern countries that are not allowed to install Telegram, will be able to participate as well. But anyway, that was a great, interesting success. We've based it on the methodology that we've used for the that we've created for the Auditor General Office in Russia, that is used for auditing risk management effectiveness and risk management culture across all the government ministries. We've based it on a maturity assessment that our organization, Institute for Strategic Risk Analysis, Risk Academy, and Deloitte in Russia run across all of the Russian companies, non-financial companies, and we've measured the maturity of the risk management within the Russian non-financial environment in general, and that was a great exercise. This year we're doing it again for the second time running to see what progress we can show, how risk management has improved after we started talking about integrating into decision making. And by the way, this chatbot doesn't ask you whether you have a risk management frame. Well, actually it does, but it asks you in a clever way. It doesn't judge whether you have a risk report or a risk framework or a policy or KRIs or risk appetite statements. None of that, because all of this is absolute rubbish. None of that this has nothing to do with how effective risk management truly is. It asks real questions on how risk management is integrated into key decisions, key processes, key activities. Is it part of the life of the organization? Is it part of different processes within the organization? So that was an interesting exercise, and people continue using it, so thank you to everybody who participated and got your kind of report back. This video, however, is not about the chatbot. This video is about plans for 2018. In 2018, we really want to move into personal lives. We want to create a similar AI, artificial intelligence, chatbot or program or assistant that will help us make risky decisions in our day-to-day lives. And for that, we need your help. What are some of the biggest, riskiest decisions that you had to make in your life, or you still have to make in your life, that you could benefit from better risk management? Now, risk management is a big part of our day-to-day lives, and as humans, we're not that good. Immigration, building a new house, buying a new apartment, relocation, finding a school for children, finding a profession, switching jobs, travel overseas. Those are all activities that are associated with a lot of uncertainty. Weddings, currency crashes, and investment crashes. There are a lot of our day-to-day life examples where we should have been good at risk management, but we probably weren't. We probably weren't as good as we could have been. And this is fascinating because most of you watching this video are risk professionals. Yet, I know for a fact you're probably not that good at risk management in your day-to-day lives, not as good as you try to be in the office. So this is a wonderful opportunity to share what are some of the biggest high-ticket items, uncertainty problems that could be solved by artificial intelligence in our day-to-day lives. So that's the plan for 2018. I'm looking forward to your help. Right underneath this video, what are some of the situations where some risk analysis can help? Thank you very much, and goodbye.